So even though that I try to stream earlier every day, I don't know, I find myself streaming later and later. But it's not a big problem. So I think the microphone sounds better. I don't know, but I didn't do shit. Maybe just OBS being like it does sound just hey, it does sound better. Okay. So let me announce to my viewers. I mean to my server. I don't know what the fuck is this activity shit because it's on top of my server. And I don't know if these are people on the server, but to me, I find it weird to have this here. Like, why will this, I don't know, in terms of server management, sometimes Discord is so goofy. So I'd like to invite everyone to check out my blog. I might have a post soon on my blog. For the simple reason that I've collected lots of tidbits to write about. I don't know. Maybe not really. But okay. Hey, Mr. Robust. I've been streaming for the past 2 days at least. Or 3 days. Let me see. Yeah. Yesterday, day prior, before. Yeah. I've done 3 streams in the meantime. But yeah. I won't hold you accountable. Just kidding. But yeah. So on the yesterday someone made a tweet with my repository, so I got a bunch of attention on it, which is cool. Always appreciate it. So last stream I did basically direct sound and direct input, and I did not do direct draw and direct 3D because look how big they are, the methods. Like direct draw, it looks big, but it's not big, and I can explain like if you didn't watch the previous stream. So this is doing something, and it gets the result, and there's basically some code to do this automatically. And you can tell that there's a lot of inline stuff because this is the current line, right? So it's line 1046, and then it jumps to 1243, then goes back to 1221. So you can see that there, and these all repeat all the time, as you can see. So the way that I'm going to do these two, direct draw and direct 3D, is I'll do it basically without error checking, and then with error checking, just or else I'll just go crazy. So okay. No idea what is this. Okay. This is interesting. View 1. Okay. Maybe I'll start with direct 3D. But yeah, what's the name? DxInit, yeah. CPP. And hopefully, oh yeah, yesterday I also closed an issue. Not really an issue, these are like milestones. The window opens, and now what I'm targeting is this one. Works as a DirectX surface. So this basically means that I have a surface that I can draw stuff on. And then I'll do the model preview stuff. So, okay, let's jump into this one. Query interface. Direct draw. 7. Maybe I should start with direct draw. No? The one of the reasons why I wanted the other is that it's a little easier for the fact that so all of this block can basically be ignored for now. Just shut down code. Um, but yeah, this callback stuff, I need to read more about it. Attach second. Okay, I can start with this if the primary. Okay, so let's do this one, right? This is the context, right? Hmm. A name parameter. Okay. So the unique identifier. Uh, Maybe I can look at the samples and give proper names. So I've downloaded here that it's quite cool that the SDK comes with samples. Like any SDK should come with samples. Because one thing is reading documentation. So DD enum. Oh, I've talked with some people that uh quite literally say that if you can't do it yourself, then get proc address. Oh, fuck off. Why is it loading the DLL like this? I don't need. Hmm. Maybe it's doing everything. So p GUID, p description, string name, p context, monitor. Okay. These are amazing names. Where's my bro callback? Maybe I should actually start with the callback because it's smaller. Uh, and it gives quite a bit of insight. Doing a context and HM. HM. Okay. So let's see what does the callback here say. Ah, shit. Okay. I don't know that they are doing a +1. Oh yeah, for the. Okay. So we know the size of the context, which is cool. So this is the size of. So 513 times 4, 804. It's quite big. Um. So then I can call this dx context. I'd be wrong. Don't care. So the X context pointer. Okay. Okay. So I might be wrong. Okay. The X context. So this is basically populating stuff. Uh mm-hmm. So apparently this is the size, so I'll give it a 9F. But it's 100 in hexadecimal. What's the thing before it? Oh yeah, it's FF. Jesus. Okay. This I can define as a GUID. Okay, good. I can go back here and EX context entry. Yeah. So bigger or equal to 8. Great. So I'll just give an entry. Okay, this is just some GUIDs. Am I missing something? Uh, yeah, I'm being an idiot. Yeah, it's 16. Oh shit. Yeah, so I guess I have something wrong here. It should be 8, right? Okay. So the name and the description, only the description is used. The context. I don't know what's going on with all of this gap. So EC, so it goes to FC. Right here, right? Damn. Yeah, this one is actually an interesting function to do. Mm. So, okay. Wow, this is so wrong. So many levels. So GUID pointer, pGUID. Let me just copy the definition from here. Maybe I need to use these names just to avoid problems. I don't mean the names, but so things that are not used. So I need to define the structures though. So I called it struct dx context. So I entries dx context entry. Okay. Struct dx context entry. So there's the GUID right here. Now there's a big gap. Left and so until what's the offset? It's FC. Okay, this is good. And here collect the description. Okay. And define validate the X context. Void entry. So I'll start with the entry because it's easier. Size dx context entry. Size validate dx context and entry. GUID 0 and the description it's FC. Now, actually, I can have this here. So we know it's 804. Num entries and entry. Okay. No, I don't have the X in it here. So the fun thing about having all of these imports here is that I'm importing DirectX here too. Dx context and entry should be enough, I think, to rebuild everything. Let's see. Oh, 12 errors. Oh, yeah. Okay. So go to the callback and basically do what's being done here. Jump greater or equal. This is strange. Oh no, it does return a bool. Okay. So what the code is actually doing is the X context right? Okay, let's just do some magic here. So the X context pointer. Nope. This project I'm doing in C++, and the other day I was talking with someone that was shit talking C++. I'm like, yeah, not a big fan of the language, but then I realized that I code in it every day. So, now I was about to say that it's been a while since I used it, but I don't even think that I'm doing C++ when I'm doing this. Like it, bull win API. It truly feels like I'm just doing C with a little bit of classes, which, you know, when you do C++ like that, I think that's when things get interesting. Like when you don't go too deep on the sauce. Okay, this should work, right? Yeah, no problemo. So if GUID, so what I'm looking here is that red part, okay. So if GUID, just do context entry, the entry, so I can just do the context, entry, context, and entries. Okay. For example, I don't use references. I could use references, but yeah. P entry mguid equals pguid. Else, just is there is it that C sharp? Uh, or else, let's see, it could be something simple as this. Uh, here, just do this. And it looks good-ish. What the hell? See, assign array. How can I do an array assignment? I really don't want to do it this way, but whatever. So this should work. Yeah. Now it's time to do the description thing. So I should do p context num entries plus plus. So p entry p description equals to malloc string length p description plus 1. Then the string copy p entry p description p description and dx dx printf, and I can copy this, and we should be good to go. I should include, okay, I already have stdlib and not, okay. So, as everything in life, oh yeah, my bad, here's a p entry. Let's see how the callback went. Actually, I think this was really a really enjoyable function to do. It's easy to understand what's going on. I, I think that's just a mem set, to be honest. Like, I can just do a mem set, p entry, and GUID, serial size of GUID? Or should I just do p entry and GUID? I don't know. No, I actually prefer this approach of doing size of any reference the object or the field and not the type. Because you can change the type of it and the code still be valid. So yeah, okay. I got it to match even better now. So yeah, jump greater or equal. That looks amazing. That looks great. Again, another optimization. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Great. Yeah, amazing. This is actually turned out to be pretty dope, I must say. Okay. I really enjoyed doing this one. Um Matching, so my D3D num. So term. It's only that, right? Okay. Uh my D3D in callback. So with this piece of code, uh oh, I didn't even think about what it will do to this function over here. Okay. Oh wait, let me just name this one. Maybe something stupid. Why when I press escape is direct draw, right? Yeah, direct draw. Damn, the code really changed. Okay. Hmm. Direct draw create X. Oh, that's the GUID of the thing that they want, I think. Um, Create, sure. Don't know what they are doing with the GUID. Get available video memory. Get device identifier. I think this is Voodoo Rush. Thank God I'd already. Display modes, damn. Cooperative level. Like I'm used to all of this, but it's so funny. Okay, this is what I don't know where it comes from. Get window long. They could have just deleted that code, not gonna lie. Yeah, there's a high chance they could have just. Create surface, okay. As you can see, that's only 4 lines. Between these two, between this one, that only 4 lines went by. That's crazy. This is where I'm already in bizarro land. Cool thing is that there are many prints. Video mode. I don't know why it is creating so many surfaces. How many times does it have to create surface? I saw it there. And this is the end. So we can see how big this function is by this guy. 1046 and 841. So it's big. So it's close to 200 lines, like 170 lines. Which is big, but not that big if you actually think about how much it grew here. So what's the relevancy of this? I have no idea. What the fuck is this? Hmm. Okay. I was just thinking about how I should tackle this, but init direct draw. Like if I can do this, I'll be so happy. After the surface is done. Okay. One thing at the moment. At a time, I mean. Uh so if I finish this today, I'm thinking about doing that's a problem of using line numbers and then optimizations. Okay. So the X context, and I can zero the memory. Okay, let's do this. Export G. That's how big it is. Alrighty-o. So, does this return anything? No, it doesn't. So, oh yeah, I can have a legendary H result HR, direct draw enumerate X. So my D3 enum callback, pass the context and the 7. I think it's all the okay. Mark all. What the fuck is Mark? Good. Nice. So let's see. Okay, I need to link the draw. Here into the draw live, and voila. I was so afraid of dealing with DirectX, but now I feel that my biggest fear is actual render code and not DirectX. See, I managed to generate all that garbage that you see here. Is ooh, you see, I produced like 50 lines of code by not doing anything. Oh, 7. That's good. So I need to do now this one by one using device instead of context index. Why did I call this? So yeah, they use the registry. Another thing that I'll need to think about if I want to port this. Okay, this is kind of boring. Um, so this is okay. Ooh. So I can go to init g jump greater or equal. But wait. That's important. That's unsigned. So jump not below. But then when I'm here at the callback, the jump greater, so that's an integer. Only one of them must be unsigned for the unsigned comparison. So yeah. If I go here, yeah, okay. So stay as you are. G context. Wait, display index, right? Why did I call it context? Yeah, device index. G display device index. I don't know if this is even a smart thing to do, save the display device index. Because you already enumerated, you can save the GUID, you can do so much stuff. Can you go ahead and do this? Chosen. So this is multiplying 2 to the... I have no idea what Spider Boy just wrote. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. So this is just copying the GUID. Nothing too crazy to write on about. What the fuck? Free? I guess I know what's going on, but that's crazy. Okay. Find it so stupid when people come to the stream and just type like question marks or what is happening. It's like I get to babysit a bunch of kids for free because their parents don't do it, so it's the monitors doing it. Uh, so let's go here. Chosen display index. Oh, looks like it's an actual function, the display mode thing. Huh, interesting. Ah, yeah, you can see it's in line because of this. Okay, interesting, interesting. So, kind of crazy that it's only in this condition that this happens. So then I can do context, entry, chosen display index, and GUID. So it's just hard to. I don't know why the compilations are weird. Okay. And the goofy comparison. So now I can do free context entry. Mm-hmm. So direct draw create, direct draw create X. Okay, this IID draw 7 null. So okay, I'd rather do these error log and quits than the weird logic that's going on there. LPDD, no. So LPDD, so it's LP direct draw 7. So just go here, export LP direct draw 7 LPDD. So just no problem. So the issue here, so the coolest thing about so direct draw, one of the advantages about reverse engineering is that it's all pointers to pointers, so it becomes a little more comfortable, to be honest. Right, draw 7. Yes, guys. Good. Okay. It's not the end of it. This might be one of the cases where getting a match in the compilation might be stupid and might be even out of my control. Oh no. Oh no. It's actually, that's actually not as impossible as I thought. Ah, okay, I can change this to be a little more kosher. So, what should I? Okay, I like also to invite everyone to go to my blog. Um, these waves I don't know if I can call it. Okay, I can call it a remix because it is a remix. But really good. See, I have 134 lines. And eight six eight eight seven. I need to fix this. Still, why? Man, this is frustrating. Ah, fine. Amen. Wow. Find this part over here really stupid. But it's totally acceptable. I like how I find articles online saying do not use this method. It's not like I have an option. Hmm. It's strange. But if I okay. The fuck I cannot enter? Okay, whatever. LPDD device identifier 2. So no errors? Okay. Let's go to MagnumDB. Can't I add more filters here? Ah, okay. So I don't really want to use Windows types, but just shut up the thing. Keyword. Let's keep going. The device identifier too. Nice. So this is one that goes back. Yeah. DD surface desk, DD surface desk 2. Jesus Christ. Oh, nice. I need to do this, guys. After this, there's this weird thing. Is where the weird shit happens. DD surface. Oh, DirectDraw Surface 7. Oh, yes. Look how deep this goes. This is crazy. And it creates a clipper, yeah. About man on the moon. Okay. Might be the clipper or the surface. Operative level. Display mode. God damn. And this is where it ends. Maybe I should visit. Yeah. I guess that today doing these two will be enough. Because then that's a lot of code that I need to add at once. I know it kinda sucks only making two in one day, but I think it will be totally worth it. Yep. Because the code is not big, it's just annoying. So I'm on the device identifier part. Yeah. Create surface will be crazy. Yo, 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 so much shit. So full screen mode, okay. What? For fuck's sake. Man. Bro, what? What the fuck? But okay, let's just go back and I'm still need to do. So so doesn't seem to return anything. So it only does one thing, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Enum display modes. Refresh radio. Refresh rate. Refresh radio. Oh, I see. The demos are the things that basically glue everything together. Oh, CB as in color. Okay, my bad. DX. Solo dolo. Need to that to What's going on? Fuck this shit, man. Wait. DDS. Hmm. See, this is why enumerations are better. Actually doing this huge ass function starting out to be okay. But yeah, I've currently spent like an hour doing it. But that's what it takes. Like, to pay off. Shit. Forgot to drink water, Jesus. Okay, much better now. Okay. Okay, I see where this is going. This is crazy. Hmm. So interesting. Hmm. Oh wait, this is just this surface. Wait, this is a 2 or a 1? Why is there missing 2? Yeah, okay, this is okay. Mm, What the fuck? Ah, okay. So 40, 65, yeah. Hmm. Damn. Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay, I need to introduce video mode. Alrighty-o. The more I do this, the less it seems probable that I'll even finish DirectDraw today. Because just for reference, I'm roughly here, 346. I need to go to 1,000. Don't be like, these are just calls, so it's easy to do. If there's like, this one might take a jiffy. But yeah, I'll try to. Okay, I need to get some water first. Hey, Studio Toxic Entertainment. Nice to see you, man. Okay. So Just forcing it to fail. Perfect. Oh yeah, I need to add. This is the size, right? Mm, okay, it looks good. Okay. I don't see the issue. What's the issue, bro? A main. Mm. Great. Uh, oh, my bad. Didn't know that Kanye was part of this song. Or I didn't remember in this case. Okay. Let's call it the same thing. and break. Oh, okay, it looks good. Hmm. Array of structures. I always forget how to do this. Is this stupid? No. Oh, yeah, I forgot equal. That was the problem. I don't know what is that, so yeah, okay. Three hundred. Good. Mhm. What the fuck is Goose? Oh, I forgot this print statement. Okay. But what's up with this? What the hell am I looking at? What the f? Um. Yeah. That piece of code is causing me a lot of anxiety. Okay, there's a check that's not being made. Instead of doing it by hand, let's see if I can. Find a way. Where the fuck do I have Ghidra? Should I have Ghidra here? Okay, whatever. This is because of the easy eye stuff. It's checking if something is 0. So confused about what. Mm-hmm. So I need to go into the DD surface desk too. DD surface desk too. Can I just set if someone is. Wait, I can just go. Wait. Why there's this shitty remix in. Okay, whatever. Uh, but why is Ghidra empty? I was using Ghidra a while ago. It's not the most up to date, but whatever. Um, need to see what the fuck is going on there. Why it is out? Is this going in parallel? Oops. Hopefully. I thought I had already analyzed it. Maybe I threw it away. So if I do something like why is because easy how can I synchronize or for fuck's sake, can I get a graph view of this shit? Okay, it's this atrocity. What are the flags? So it doesn't affect the flags. Okay, so I can Just I think they wanted to do an NOR. EDPF, okay. Okay, okay. I think they wanted to do OR, and it turned out uh okay, I think this is what they were going for. Can't I think I found the bug in the code then. Oh yes. Oh, but now it's being written. Slightly different registers, but I don't really. I'll leave this as is. Enumerate mode series. Okay. Oof, I can go back to this one. Hey, Leather Realms. Don't know how long ago you sent that message. Sorry, man. I'll just leave Ghidra as is. Wait, enumerate. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, right here. Okay. Whole last side quest. Okay. This is about cooperative level. So here, if GDX option related, set cooperative level window. Mm, So 8. That's surprising. Uh, so I kind of proved that they use macros because of the line count. Interesting. Uh, no, but the reason why I say this is that recently I've been getting more people coming to the stream, which is cool. But I'm not reading the chat for the most part. So when I go see their message, they're gone. So it's kind of annoying. Like not super annoying because these streams are more for me, to be honest. And then I have my blog. That's the prime source of information. All of this, and yeah, it's so funny, man. Okay, the amount of shit that's generated. So I'm 369. This is, yeah, 449. Tag rect. No idea what these are. Hmm. These are rects, allegedly. Mm-hmm. So there's this point called create surface. PDDS. And sometimes it's a chore to do these guys. Another surface. Why is this repeating? Okay, I'll try to YOLO this. Because Jesus Christ. Out of these 600 lines, like, they are not that interesting for the most part, to be honest. Hmm. Client to screen. Yeah. What the fuck? Thankfully, all comparisons of V19 fit here. V19, good. Not that one. I'm getting so tired. Maybe I should finish this tomorrow. Okay, interesting. It looks like comparing GUID. Shitty ass function. Yeah, okay. I'll do the pink part here, and then I'll finish the stream because Jesus Christ, I'm getting tired. But yeah. Hmm. Sheesh. Okay, if we nice. It's only rect or tag rect. Okay. Okay. Almost scared myself. So I'll just compare the assemblies and then I need to fix this. Two thousand and alrighty. Okay. Um. Yeah. let's see if so direct draw. So now I'm seeing whether the Windows version, not the Windows, the Linux version. Yeah, the Windows works. Jesus Christ, I'm so tired. Spide decomp. No. Let's see whether this builds like this. Oh, looks. Wow, it built. Now it's time to see whether this builds with Linux. Let's just do one by one. So type def bool. I don't know why it's. And oh, type def. Oh, fuck. I forgot about this data. My bad. Edge monitor. No idea what the fuck is a Edge monitor though. Yo, what? Shit. Okay. Hey, cool shit. Oh, great. Okay, I shouldn't have killed this, but wait. Okay, I see multiple stuff. Yeah, but the issue is that I don't. I'm usually so involved with the code that I forget that I have people watching, and it has happened a couple times. People drop by, ask questions or whatever, and then I cannot answer them. I can, but then they are not here. And I do. How do you not all this code throwing at you? What do you mean code throwing? Like the errors on the terminal, or just doing this huge function? So if you're talking about the errors, it's not a big problem, the errors, because if you do one by one, they'll get smaller and smaller. So there's like the developers use macros here. So for example, this block of code. So just for reference, this is the line in the source file where the macro was placed, right? Look at this. So there's this block, and then there's a similar block here. And as you can see, this is like 7 lines in between, right? This is not 7 lines. So this is an inline function and a macro. So there's a couple things that makes, and it explodes the code. You see this piece here? It's replicated like here, as you can see. So not here, but like here. So I just got used to seeing it, which is a little annoying. It's only for this function. But yeah, doing all these functions. All of it. Okay. I don't know, like I'm doing piece by piece, let me just push, then I can, let me just finish this so I don't leave this hanging. Git diff, build, whatever, and then I'll talk to you. Okay. So I've outlined, so let me just, so I know what does it take the game to run, right? So there are like multiple systems, even though the code is not that good. So for the game, right? You have the rendering, right? Render part, you have the game logic, and the logic, it's usually you have stuff like, physics and general interactions with the objects, right? Interaction. And you have the sound, and you have the inputs. Okay. And since I'm doing a compilation, there are parts that okay. And finally, I don't know if this is truly a system, but since it's OOP, and you have the data, and the data is the class definitions. So for the longest time, I was focusing solely on the data. So I was defining structures, classes, and so I was focusing on this system. And then I moved partially to the logic. And this is where I left in basically early August, right? I had a bunch of classes, some of the logic, not everything. But then I defined the goal to, so I've done a lot of the compilation, but I want to see the game. So you just define the goal. In this case, I want to see the game window and some. So I basically I want to see my decomp running. Right? And for that, I just broke down here on my GitHub what I needed to do. So first of all, I need to have a window. Then I need to have a DirectX surface, and here's for audio and here's for videos. So if I want something basic, I need a window to render, and I need to basically have DirectX. So since I had a lot of this done, now it was time to go for the render. So that's where I'm at now. And you can probably agree that in order to get the game running, I don't need sound or input. Even though that I've done input in the past streams, I don't need it, but it's better to have. So I'll delay doing sound for a moment. So, but yeah, there's the lingering question, like how do I know, let me just close this. How do I know if the code is correct? So far I'm doing manual validation, which is not scalable. On a one-to-one basis, yes, that's what I've been doing. But if I want, for example, in the stream to do 10 functions, I don't know if that will be possible. Like 20. I need some automation and I haven't done it yet. I have some plans for it, but not at the moment. But I have other types of validation. So I have a lot of validation on the data side. So I have this validation, and this basically means for me that I won't mess up the code in the future. So what this code here on the left prevents me from doing is to go here, H, and adding stuff here, like adding a new field, and it will break. So it totally prevents me from doing it. And that's one of the reasons. But I need more validation. So I don't want to do automatic, like I've wrote about it on my blog, that one of the biggest problems is that the closer that I get to the final product, there will be a moment that I don't know if I'm introducing bugs or just recreating them. And I talked about here, like taking two pieces of code and comparing them. So let's say that you have like the code, let's say it's like this, right? And my recreation is, I don't know, something like this. It's orange, you know, and this is just abstract terms, but this just means that they might have the same shape, but they are slightly different, as you can see. And on my blog, I outlined a way of comparing these and making sure whether they are or not. And then I came to the realization that I can just do some unit tests. So since I'm decompiling function by function, so as you can see, the commits are atomic. And yeah, so almost all commits are like single functions, as you can see. And I can use a unit test library. So, and I saw this one. I also saw Google test. But I think H2 is more popular or like more modern. Looks quite cool. Yeah, and what I wanted to say with this is that I'd like to do as little automation as possible, because I don't want to get too much derailed. And there's also this point from, I don't know if you know this guy, Jonathan Blow. He's a video game developer, but he has a really good point about tests and video games, which is when you're developing a game, unit tests are not that helpful in the sense that, you know, there are systems interacting with each other. So for example, if I mess up something about the game, for example, the main menu, the items are out of place, that's something that you can see immediately. And yeah, it will be cool that after I detect it, I add like a regression test to prevent it from happening again. But yeah, I actually plan to introduce tests in the game, but that is a plan for December because I'll go home for Christmas and I won't be streaming during this time and so I'll use this time to just deep dive on how to better test stuff. And yeah, and also on my day-to-day job, like the code base that I work on, it has a lot of tests, but I also worked a lot in reducing the amount of tests that it has because a lot of people just spam tests for some reason. So yeah, I think I'm good at outlining what are good tests and stuff to have. But until I have the video game window and it's rendering something, I won't even think about it. But yeah, and what the not getting. But okay, so I think these questions are kind of related. But even on my day-to-day job, and I've done this also outside of my job, I need to interact with people that own other code bases, and they are huge. But usually you're only interested in a single part of a code base. So, like for example, let me just take here a video game, right? Like Super Tux, or like let's just go for Doom, right? I've contributed to this, but this is kind of irrelevant. Like you know what you're looking for when you're here, right? Let's say that you want, for example, here's input, sound. Like when you want to go into a code base, for example, this for network stuff, like you know why you're going there. So usually don't need to read everything, but yeah. So many issues. What the hell? But yeah. Yeah. I need to go have dinner because I'm getting a little angry. Angry? I mean, not angry. But yeah, hopefully I answered your questions. But yeah, it's just getting used to the feeling of not knowing everything and just throwing yourself out there. There isn't much to it, to be honest. Shit, I forgot to commit this. Okay, not a big issue. But yeah, yeah, most probably. Uh, quite common. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, shit, I forgot that I need to back up. And there's also another thing now that I need to do a backup that I can talk about, which is you should have the confidence in whenever you're touching a huge code base to break stuff, because that's how you can tell whether a code base is brittle or not. There have been some code bases where I change something or add something and the code breaks, and the people that maintain it are like, "Oh my god, the fuck are you doing? You need to be aware of these constraints." And I think the Spider-Man video game touches in that sense that a small change could break everything. So that gives me a little more confidence that if the game is working, it's truly working. But yeah, this is a backup that I've showed in lots of streams. These are basically my IDA databases saved to my NAS. And yeah, this is so that if I mess up something, I can go here and check a previous instance. Or for example, when I'm traveling and I want to work on the project, I can just connect my NAS and grab the latest one. But yeah, this one got corrupted sadly. But yeah, that's it. Now it's time for me to cook dinner, and yeah, see you tomorrow, which I should stream. Yeah, I should definitely stream tomorrow. But yeah, have a nice one, have a nice evening, and yeah, see you on the next stream. Have a nice one, everyone.